Wonderful day everyone, and this is Bel Francisco of Mitsubishi Picabag Santos Manila at your service. And for today's video po ay isi-share ko po sa inyo ang mga naka-display dito sa aming showroom at ang kanya-kanya mga promo. So tara na at huwag na natin patagalin to.
Unahin po natin itong Mirage G4 GLX CVT for only 0 down payment on selected bank approval, and ang monthly po niya is nasa 17,000. Depende po yan sa bank na mag-a-approve dahil iba-iba na po ang rate ng ating mga bank. With additional freebies din po yan. Dito naman po sa ating Expander Cross 2-tone Sunrise Orange, 8,000 down payment, nasa 28,000 na kanyang monthly with free 1-month amortization on selected bank. Also with 25,000 worth of freebies. Dito sa ating Montero GLX manual, 0 down payment in all bank approval po yan. Ang monthly po niya ay nasa 32,000. Sa freebies naman po, may option kayo kung Black Series look or swap to GT Mags. Ito naman po sa ating L300 Euro 4 with dual aircon, 0 down payment with free 2 months amortization, and ang monthly po niya ay nasa 21,000 with freebies of worth 15,000. So guys, if you are interested to apply or make other question kayo, feel free to comment here at my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Also follow my FB page, Best Deal Promo by Bel Picabag Santos Manila. Pwede nyo rin po ako i-message dyan, and pwede nyo rin po akong tawagan sa aking mga number na nasa screen. Again, this is Bel Francisco at your service, your sales consultant with a heart. And thank you for watching. Bye!